All right, so let's take a look at this beautiful sunrise this morning, sent to us by a Local 4 viewer over in LaSalle Township. Gorgeous. The water partly frozen, a few ripply-looking clouds there. That sun just waking everybody up. Now, take a look at this one. This is from a viewer from Clarkston, sent us my pic of the wolf moon, which is gorgeous as well. There was a lot of social media pics on the moon, obviously. Meteorologist Commander joins us, and skies are going to be clear tonight.
Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. Could be worse.
We're dressed so appropriately. The cold comes, I'm like, let's put the turtleneck and pants on.
I know. You look great, though.
Yeah, I had to go with a little color on a Monday.
Well, you look great.
Thank you. You do too. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. All right, I wish I had some better news. We do have some changes ahead. Now, temperature is not the problem, but there is a chance for a little freezing drizzle tomorrow. We'll talk about that in a moment. But right now, not bad out of Metro Airport. 36 in Detroit. Mid to upper 30s across the board here. In fact, Port Huron close to 40. Winds haven't been too bad, and we're not seeing any really major delays. We're checking on San Francisco. It doesn't look like they have major delays. It's popping up there, but just some minor delays, moderate delays in Vegas. Otherwise, pretty quiet across much of the country. And it's nice and warm down along the Gulf Coast. If you've left Florida, you probably miss it with those temps in the 70s. We're at 36 in Detroit, mid 40s in Chicago, a little colder up in Marquette at 25. Lows tonight. This isn't bad, upper 20s. We've definitely been colder than this recently. And then tomorrow we should make it up to about 41 degrees at Metro Airport. It's areas we'll go from like M59 northward tomorrow where we have to keep a really close eye on temperatures because we've got some moisture in the morning that could come down as a little bit of freezing drizzle. Right now it's quiet. You've got travel plans anywhere across Michigan or Ohio. You're totally fine. But a winter weather advisory for tomorrow for mid-Michigan. Most of the freezing drizzle will stay to our north, but there is that chance tomorrow, and a couple of the models have picked it up, including this one that I'll show you here, showing cloudy skies tonight. But as we get into tomorrow morning, especially, as I said, in those northern suburbs, there could be a brief period of freezing drizzle that will last through the mid-morning hours. Then if you're up into the thumb, you have a chance for it to last a bit longer. Then in the afternoon, this particular model still keeps us with some freezing drizzle, but I think we're going to be warm enough in the afternoon to where it's going to come down as all rain, but we'll kind of watch for that mix. It could be that situation where you're kind of looking on your windshield, looks like rain at times, and maybe there'll even be a wet snowflake mixed in or a little bit of freezing drizzle. So 8 o'clock by Wednesday morning, no problems there. Not really expecting major problems for any of the commutes. And then we get a nice treat. We start a big warm up. In fact, by Friday, it's not out of the question that we hit 50 degrees, or at least we'll be close to it, maybe only the upper 40s, but most of the models agree that we'll be right around 50 degrees and then sharply colder for the weekend as highs go back into the low 30s for Sunday. But for the next several days, each and every day, we start to get a little warmer. Overnight, 28, mostly cloudy skies, not quite as cold tonight. Then tomorrow, temperatures hopefully will climb quickly enough to where we don't have to worry about a lot of freezing drizzle. But if you're in those northern suburbs and up into the thumb, you have the best chance. Also tomorrow, another issue we might deal with, and for the next couple of days, because we do have that snow cover on the ground, is some fog. As that warmer air blows across that cold snow and the cold ground, we could get some fog tomorrow. Patchy fog, but those areas prone to it could see it. So 40 degrees for Wednesday with cloudy skies, and then we kind of get a little rainy and sloppy, but definitely warmer by the end of the week. Karen?